Hey there, YouTube viewers. This is Steve from Arizona Blade Broker, back with a video for the first time in a long time. Been pretty busy, but we're doing a no reserve auction on eBay this week. So I'm going to give you a little preview of what's going on in the auction. This is the week starting May 24th. I think it's ending on May 30th, 2020. Otherwise known as the year of COVID. Anyhow, so here we go. At the top here, this is a Browning Sportsman fixed blade. Basically new old stock in the box. This is a OK Olson throwing knife. Gerber Sportsman 1, newer style. It has a engraved City of Phoenix logo on it. Gerber Sportsman 2 with the leather case. This is one lot. This is 3 NFL themed Victorinox SDs, 2 Redskins and 1 Bears. This is 2 new Victorinox Swiss Armies. These are pretty old. These I believe are 60s vintage. They both have like the aluminum toothpick. One is a Bantam, the small one, and the bigger one I believe is either a Traveler or an early Climber. I don't remember. Anyway, it'll be on there. This is an SD Classic with a City of Glendale 1 gram 10 karat gold logo on it. This is a Victorinox 108 millimeter solo, not the 100 millimeter, but the 108. Pretty nice condition. Carl Shippler 3-blade trapper style, or Stockman, excuse me. This is a vintage Buck Yachtsman in the box. Box is a little tattered, but it's original. Buck 110 2-dot. Buck 110 50th anniversary. 3 Buck 110 parts knives. All of them have some issues. One on top's a finger groove version. I've got 2 cold steel ready edge keychain knives. A lot of 3 kind of generic looking SOG knives. 2 Leathermans for repair. This is a pretty nice Leatherman Wave. And a vintage, I don't remember exactly what model this is, but a 3-layer Swiss Army knife, 50s vintage, but it's got a broken blade in there, so this is for parts or fix repair. Anyway, check the link below for the auction on eBay.